In this tutorial, we will look at creating and using tabs. Tabs are used to finalise sales associated with the customer over a period of time. When the customer is finished and wishes to leave, they are able to pay for all of the sales in one payment operation. POS-SUM supports two types of tab, bar tabs and room tabs. Room tabs would generally be used in accommodation type scenarios where the customer is staying for a period of time and would like to put purchases against their room to be settled when they check out or leave. Room tabs are automatically created if they do not already exist and the limit is set from configuration. By default, room tabs do not expire. Bar tabs are used to create arbitrary tabs at the request of a customer. These can be created at any time and the limit and expiry time can be configured based on your business policy and the customer's needs. Creating and using room tabs is simple. All that is required is to swipe the customer's room tag and the sale is finalised to that room. If the tab does not exist, then it is automatically created and the purchase added to the tab. If there is already an existing tab for the room, then the purchase is added to that tab. In addition to swiping a room tag, purchases can also be added to a room tab manually. Simply enter the room code and then press the tab tender key. Note that the room code must be entered exactly as configured, including any leading zeros. To create a bar tab, simply swipe an unassigned bar tag and the Create Bar Tab window will appear. This can be done either when the POS is idle or if there is a currently active, unfinalised sale in progress. If there is a sale in progress, it will be added to the bar tab once it is created. In the Create tab window, you can modify the tab name, limit and expiry time. The name can be left at the default value or changed to help easily identify the tab in the future. The limit is the maximum dollar value that can be put against a tab. The default value is set from POS configuration but can be changed by entering a modified value or by using the plus and minus keys. By default, bar tabs will not expire. If you want a tab to automatically deactivate after a period of time, you can set an expiry value. Click on the expiry field to set this value. The default expiry time is set from POS configuration. Generally, this would be the time that the bar closes. You can select the time period step value and then use the plus and minus keys to adjust the time that the tab will deactivate. Once you have finished configuring the tab, click on the tick button to create the tab and close the window. If the tab was created on an active sale, then the sale will be automatically finalised to the new tab. Now that you have created the tab, there are a number of ways that sales can be added to it. The simplest and fastest way is to scan the tag associated with the tab. This will instantly finalise the sale to that tab. You can also enter the tab code on the numeric keypad and then click on the tab tender button. Or simply click on the tab tender button. This will pop up a window that allows you to select the tab you wish to finalise the sale to. This shows a list of all of the currently open tabs and their status. From here you can see which tabs are active and which tabs are disabled because they are either expired or at their limit. From this window you can also create a new tab. Or edit the parameters of an existing tab.